Okay, here's the spot that Mom marked, as you can see by the little guy right there. Okay, so this is where she was when she said it was above her. It looks like it was a little bit further over, not too far, but I'm standing here looking at this, and I basically turn to the right. It should be like right here is about the point below where it's at up above. So let me walk around here I'm gonna put something here to mark the spot a little better, but all I had was a stick and I kind of made an X in the ground right here. So this spot roughly, if you look up in this tree, so if I got the right tree, yeah, it's this one. So I'll also mark this tree, but it's this one right here. This tree going up. And then it's in, I'll zoom in here in a second, but it's basically like in this branch, like right there, I think it is roughly. So I'm gonna, let's see what kind of zoom we can get right now with this video. See if we can see a little bit of the body because it was hanging out a little bit. Actually it's a little further up, I think. Yeah, I think it's right. I think it's right where the end of my finger is, right there, that little Y branch. So I think right in there, about there, about dead center of the video. That's where it's at. So it's quite a ways up there. That's almost at the top of this tree. So that's a solid 50, 60 feet up. I took a video from the side, so you probably have a good estimate of how high exactly it is from my metrics. So there you go.